Hey, it's Morgan with WTI.
I love this soft case from my Beats Studio Pro from Yinke. It is so nice. I love the soft shell and the inside layer. It is so cute and I love how it looks with my Beats. It goes with the aesthetic and I know that it's keeping them really nice and secure. I love the zipper. I love the look of it. I love that you can even fit your original Beats case inside, so you can use it alone for your headphones, or you can use it as an extra layer of security for your headphones. I think it looks so nice because I love my Beats, but I don't love the original case because it doesn't match. So I love that this one matches. It also has its own storage. The front zipper is really nice. It fits a lot of cables in there and it still keeps its shape really well. I love the soft shell cover. I just think that's really, really nice. The handle that it comes with is also so convenient, so I can just carry it when I am traveling, wherever I go. Easy to move around. I love that the zippers are also aesthetically pleasing and they even match the style of the original. I think this is such a good looking case for my Beats. I love my things to match and I like how this makes the whole look very aesthetic, very pleasing, and I just think it's really, really cute and so functional. This is such a convenient case to use for your headphones and I recommend it.
And that's my point of view.